Starling Bank Online Bank Review. Watch before using. Most people assume online banks can't compete with traditional banks, but Starling Bank has proven that mobile-first banking can be both convenient and secure. Starling Bank is a UK-based digital bank offering personal, business, and joint accounts. One standout feature is its real-time notifications and spending insights. Every transaction is immediately visible in your app, and categorization helps you track where your money goes effortlessly. Most people get this wrong. They think online banks lack services like overdrafts or loans. The surprising truth is Starling offers overdrafts, interest on balances, and business banking features, along with integration with accounting software for freelancers and small businesses. Another advantage is user experience. The Starling app is clean, intuitive, and quick. Setting up an account takes minutes, and security features like two-factor authentication and instant card freezing provide peace of mind. However, there are considerations. While Starling is highly convenient, cash deposits are less straightforward compared to traditional banks. Also, international transactions may incur fees, so frequent travelers should check costs. In conclusion, Starling Bank is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a modern, mobile-first banking experience with strong budgeting tools and real-time tracking. It's especially appealing for freelancers, small business owners, or tech-savvy users. Subscribe for more honest online banking reviews before switching your money.